Hello guys, hello beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever the time is over there. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Tada! If you're just on this channel, you're highly welcome. Please consider smashing the red subscribe button, liking the video, commenting and sharing. God bless you real good for my returning subscriber. Of course, you guys know I love you all already. Kisses to my returning subscriber and those just joining. If you're just waiting to join this family, what are you waiting for? Hop on board, join this family and let's have fun together. So guys, today something really not good for me, I don't know about them, happened, and I want you guys to go through this video and leave your reaction in the comment section below. Norway is freezing, guys. To all my Norwegians, my heart goes out to you guys. Like, I truly feel for you because of the kind of cold that will be on there now. I can't. Massive snowstorm hits southern Norway. So without much ado, let's head right into the video and let's see what's really happening over there, because it's a sad one, but I heard to them it's not sad. They say it's rather change of clothing. So what was it? Let's see. Wow, so much snow.
A massive snowstorm hit southern Norway, most municipalities along the coast, including Kristiansand, Lillesand, Tvedestrand, Riser and Arendal, had decided to keep schools closed at least through Wednesday because of the weather conditions.
If you're Norwegian in the house, leave for me in the comment section. How's your country like? That should be minus 100 degrees. I know it was a great, but it should be freezing cold. Gosh, I'm so sorry, guys. Oh, snow everywhere. How do you guys even step into your house? How do you drive?
Red Cross made extra ambulances available in case of emergencies, and more than a dozen snowmobiles were put into service to transport medical teams if necessary. The snow had kept falling through the night and Tuesday, forcing shutdown of local train lines, including Arendalsbanen, portions of Sørlandsbanen and Vestfoldbanen farther north.
I can't even imagine having kids in that weather.
State meteorologists had issued warnings of heavy snow accompanied by strong winds, and the storms set in as expected on New Year's Eve. By New Year's Day, transport of all types was disrupted, and thousands of residents in the southwestern county of Agder lost their electricity.
Lost electricity.
The snow outside homes in Grimstad, better known as a popular summer holiday destination, was well above knee level, while downtown Kristiansand appeared all but inundated. Driving was otherwise discouraged all over southern Norway, with local mayors urging people to just stay home. Reduced service continued on important crosstown bus lines, but even the tram from downtown, up to the hills at Frognerseteren, a popular skiing destination, had to shut down early Monday afternoon. The weather was worse along the coast than in the mountains, where many roads stayed open. Motorists had to wait in, long lines to join, escorted convoys.
Bak anne, son durum bu işte, bak. Gelin. Norveç'e gelmeyin, bak. Bak. Her taraf kar. Bak, 1 metre kar var.
State meteorologists extended their warnings for heavy snow and difficult transport conditions through Wednesday, when temperatures were due to plummet in line with a new cold front moving in. Oslo residents are among those warned of frigid temperatures well into next week. Thick layers of 70 centimeters of snow shrouded southern
layers
Norway,
of 70 centimeters
specifically
of
in Arendal
snow
in just one day.
in just
According
one
to the
day.
weather forecast, there would be an additional 40 centimeter of snowfall. Due to heavy
40
snow,
centimeter of
local
snowfall
authorities shut
additional.
down schools and kindergartens for safety.
Guys, I'm sorry.
The large volume of snowfall paralyzed mail delivery and interrupted garbage collection services. Residents were recommended to instead work remotely because of the hazardous weather conditions. The severity of the situation along the coast exceeded those in the mountains. Fortunately, roads managed to remain operational.
This is a sad one, guys. I'm sorry.
ประตูจุดหมายเนาะทุกคนปีนี้หิมะลงเยอะๆทุกคน
The last time we had minus 20 at Blinden in Oslo was in 2010. So if we get such a low temperature, it has been 14 years since the last time it was this cold, said Martin Granerod, meteorologist at the Norwegian Meteorological Institute to NRK. Rain fell in Sorlandet. The coast was exposed to winds and large amounts of snow. The Home Guard, the Red Cross and the Civil Defense helped municipalities to maintain life and health, and ploughing crews worked tirelessly to keep the roads safe. On Thursday, the rain and winds calmed down to a large extent, and snow removal work was in full swing.
This is so much.
पहाड़ बने हुए ये सारे इनकी रास्ता बनाया है वहाँ
Guys, this is so much. I'm sorry. I'm sorry to all those in southern Norway. Guys, leave for me in the comment section below what you think about this video. It is truly alarming, guys. Guys, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Smash the red subscribe button, like the video, comment and share. I'll see you in my next video coming up shortly after this one. Leave your empathetic comments in the comment section below. Let's support people over there in Norway. I'll see you guys in my next video. My regards to you all. Stay blessed, stay subscribed, and please guys, try as much as possible to stay warm out there. It's freaking cold. Stay warm. I love you guys. Bye.